Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need to know about how you can start buying from AliExpress if you are a dropshipper. Now I'm going to be showing you guys what you should tell the seller after you purchase the order, what you should tell the seller so that you don't include the original price in the package, and your customer will not know that the item is coming from AliExpress. I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need to know about how you can start buying from AliExpress if you are a dropshipper. Now the first thing you want to do guys is to sign up for an account. If you haven't done that already, just click sign up and sign up using Google or Facebook or whatever you want. Now after that, you want to find the product that you want to buy. Let's say that someone on for example, I am dropshipping on eBay or Shopify or Amazon, and someone has purchased this item from me. Now what you need to do guys, you just want to open the item or search for the item that you want to buy for your customer, that you want to send to your customer. So if you don't know guys how this whole thing works, like dropshipping is like someone places an order on your store and then you take the address of the person that has purchased the item from you, and then you buy it for that person. It's like you are buying it for yourself, but you put the address of the person instead of your address, and then AliExpress ships the item directly to your customer. Okay, now what you need to do guys is you want to just select the color that the buyer has selected. When they are purchasing your item, they are going to select a color. Now you make sure you know the color. You just go to your store, Shopify or eBay, and then you will find what color the person has selected. Now if you have only one product without variations, then you don't need to do that. Like, you can just send the product directly without selecting any color. Now after that guys, you want to select the shipping here from China. Like, your customers won't care if the item is coming from China, just to know that a lot of people think that if they are buying from AliExpress and the buyer sees that they are like using AliExpress, they will like leave a negative feedback or anything like that, but they don't really care. So what you need to do guys is to select the product that you want to buy and then click buy now. Now after you click on buy now guys, what you need to do next is to add the address of the person that has purchased the item from you on eBay. Click add and then add that address, add new address, and add here the address, the country in the top, for example United States or United Kingdom, the name and the mobile phone, city, zip code, street address, and then click confirm. And after you do that guys, what you need to do guys next is to select the payment method. As you can see, select payment method here, click on it and then select which card you want. As you can see, I'm using different cards. Now after you purchase the item, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find the tracking number so that you can add it on your store, or you can give it to your customer that has purchased the item from you. Now after that guys, you just want to click on place order. After you select the payment method, click on place order, and that's all you need to do guys to buy from AliExpress. But next thing you want to do guys, after you buy the item, open your account, click on orders. As you can see, now after you click on orders guys, you want to find the item that you have bought, that you have purchased, and you want to click this contact seller, this small contact seller in the top of the item. Click on it, and what you want to do guys next, the moment you buy the product, you want to send this message to the seller on AliExpress. Just tell them that, hi, I am a drop shipper. Please ship the item without original price. Okay, and then click enter and then send it to him. Now they will not include the original price after you do this, and after that, after you purchase it, you want to wait 2 days before they ship the item. After they ship the item, you want to just go again to your my orders, okay, and you will find here the tracking number. Now it says for me pay now because I didn't pay for this item. You will find your track here, edit address, you will find your track. Click on it and you will find the tracking number, and then copy it and then send it to your customer. That's exactly guys how you can buy from AliExpress. I have been using AliExpress or dropship for many years, so this is just an account that I don't use anymore, so I'm still using AliExpress to dropship. So if this video guys helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day.